Do you dream of hosting events at your park? Kayak tours, pancake breakfasts, barbecues. Experiences like these delight guests and keep them talking about your park. But how will tickets be sold? Did guests sign waivers? Is there an attendee limit? And how much syrup do we need? We know. There's a million things to think about. CampLife's events and activities feature can help. First off, you can see what's happening at a glance. Staff can link activities, complete with photos and descriptions, to an event calendar and check availability in real time. And including events and activities in the online storefront and reservation process makes it easy for guests to discover. Simplify event management and delight your guests. What could CampLife do for your park?